Hey, what's up YouTube? Luke the window cleaner. Reanna. We are about 25 miles away from the huge convention. We made it. We're here. Now we're gonna go get a room. Oh, that's a gangster entrance. Is it 214? I guess registration's at 2. Here before everyone comes in. You never really held a green light before? What's your thoughts, Reanna?
Sweet stuff, I do.
It's the sweet stuff.
Yeah.
It's nice.
It's really light, but it feels good.
Yeah, let's open it up again and show them the carbon. It is really cool. That's that dragon weave. The famous John Lee.
Hey, come on now. Come to the convention. Do you have your badge on you?
This is everybody setting up here. Oh, hey! I didn't even notice you. What's going on, man? How are you?
Good.
You know my wife, what?
From TV.
Reanna, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
How's it going, man?
Good to see you.
My. Josh, how many years have you been doing this?
Forever.
Forever.
It's like my 8th convention. Thank you, Mark.
Man, Mark Strange. Where's Bob Hat? Bob Hat needs to be right here. Showing everybody how it's done. Mine? No? Nathan, all the way from Australia. Say what's up, YouTube.
There you go on YouTube. Come over for the huge convention. So far enjoying it.
Cool.
Sweaty.
Sweaty. Welcome, Reanna.
Big book, my first really big book. These are great books, they're phenomenal books. It's going to be a big book. And I talk about that. I talk about how that's changing. But how many of you know that every human being has a longing to we want to build.
Welcome to the trade show. Now it's full with people. Right up next to the window. Wagtail, you don't have that kind of angle. You can't do that. That's so fun. So further out, less than a degree. Oh, what's up? said that, she's like, Luke, we can't stay all day here. I know, but I could. It's fun. Yeah. There's our buddy Ruben from House Call Pro.
Yay.
Do you care for recording?
Yeah, no, go over it. All right, so House Call Pro is a field service management solution. We've been ranked #1 actually now for about 7 quarters straight across all the different platforms on the internet. We basically specialize in creating a one-stop shop for your business to run and grow your service business from your mobile device. So everything from invoicing, receipts, job scheduling, dispatch, payment processing, marketing, online booking. I mean, we got your CRM, we have all your database contact management, we integrate with QuickBooks Online. Essentially everything you need to run and grow and elevate your business from your mobile device. Everything happens in real time, updates across all devices, and we're constantly building new features, and we have the #1 rated customer support. So if anyone has any issues with it, you get support right away.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Ruben.
All right, so here's the new Northern Light poles that we've got for this year. Some of you may be familiar with the pole that we came out with last year. It's already proven to be quite the rigid pole, full carbon fiber. This year we've got 2 new poles. One's actually available for sale now, and the other one's a concept pole. So this is the Northern Elite. So first we had the Northern Light, now we have the Northern Elite. It's actually graphite fiber in the core layers, surrounded by regular carbon fiber. So this pole is actually twice as stiff as the regular Northern Light. Same height, 32-foot reach. You can also take the 11-foot extension. Next we have the Everest pole. It's using aerospace grade graphite fiber in the core layers, and the outer layers are actually ultra high modulus carbon fiber. This pole, in combination with 11-foot extensions, we can take this all the way up to an 80-foot reach.
Wow.
It's super rigid, and it's 13% lighter than these poles.
All right, hi, this is Phil Byrne at the Huge Convention with Mormon Americas. I'm the National Sales Manager for North America. I got a few new things I'd like to show you. First item that we got is our new Durafil rubber container. It will come loaded with 20 pieces of Liquidator rubber inside. Special construction, nice durable protection for the rubber. Also ventilated on the top and the bottom, so any moisture and air will dissipate and not foul the rubber. Another item we got here is our new pouch. We call it the Side Kit. It's a 3-compartment pouch. One is a completely waterproof compartment, and then another large compartment here, and a nice smaller but nice compartment here with a magnetic catch. No Velcro here, so if somebody's using any microfiber, it's not going to catch and foul on the hook and loop material. It's also got a rear zipper pouch, so if you want to put keys, wallet, something a little more secure inside here, you got that as well.
Very cool.
It features our new belt system. Our old one was just a loop of fabric that went over the top. This one you can detach and leave on your belt. You want to brake, get in the car, get in the truck, take the pouch off and move on.
Lunchtime. So on our second day of the Huge Convention, it seems like we're meeting even more people today, which is really cool. It's just so neat. Like Dutch Shine, I don't know if Dutch Shine's going to be watching this. It's really cool meeting him. Of course, we got to run into our buddy Mike Nichols. Yeah, they're super cool. Mike, we like fan over Mike. Fanboy. We love you, Mike. And Dutch Shine, you guys are awesome to meet. Who else did we get to meet today? So many people. Oh, Mole from the Mole and Jersey show. You're not going to be watching this, but what's up, man? What's up?
Following you.
Everyone's like, yeah, why you got to turn that on?
He was all excited that we enjoyed the trip and all that. Oh yeah, we got worth the trip.
The man, the legend, Mike Nichols.
Oh, okay. This is our trade show. This is the 5th of the Huge Convention. This one's here in New Orleans. I'll show you around a little bit of our booth here. We have our Zero water line here. Sold a bunch of these. What's great about this, it gives people a chance to put hands on the equipment. So many people will ask, I don't want to buy something, without trying it out. It's like people don't like to buy shoes online. This is the opportunity where you can come and actually touch it. We've got our Zero Pure system here. It gives people an opportunity to check it out. It's great. They get hands on, they can feel it, see how it works. It's really nice. And then we brought all our brushes, all the different kinds of brushes. People are always wondering. We have our Unger, our Northern Lights, our Radius brushes. These are our Hydro Powers. So one of the things people always have questions when they're on the job or they're putting things together. Maybe it's a Saturday, it's a Sunday. As a window cleaner, you know, you've been out working all day, you get back home, you have kids, time to put the kids to bed or whatever, it's late or whatever. You have questions, you need to know things, pick up the telephone and dial. I'm available 24/7, there to answer your questions. You can text me or call me.
What's the number we can get a hold of you at?
865-310-0728.
Can you tell us one more time?
865-310-0728.
Hey, it's Jersey here from Window Cleaning Resource and WCR Nation at the huge convention. It's been an amazing show. Super busy. My feet are killing me from all the walking we've been doing, but it's been a really good show. Yeah, so if you have any questions or need any supplies, definitely give me or John a call. My direct number is 862-312-2026, or you can hit me up on email. It's josh@windowcleaningresource.com. So if you haven't had a chance to watch WCR Nation, definitely do that. We are going to be in our 11th episode. It is a weekly podcast that's put out on the various platforms, on Google Play, iTunes, SoundCloud, also on our YouTube channel for Window Cleaning Resource. And you'll be able to check it out every Friday. It is uploaded and ready for you to hang out, waste some time with me, and hopefully learn a thing or two about a thing or two.
Awesome.
Cool.
I think we talked to a few people about this when we were there. Got a really sweet cat that we both really like. Never left her alone at the house this long before, so we're kind of excited to get back and see
Well,
her.
she's sweet, but she's also a dickhead, so we'll see which one she is.
Oh man, back in Kansas City. Hi, Sharon. Waldo! Hi. Hi. Do you guys miss us? Hi, Stella. You sleepy.